Hi, Kitu. Good. Hello again. Welcome to our science.
Good morning.
Good morning, Shane, Anna, Nisha, Ten. Good morning, and Pat is coming. Welcome to our science. And also Harris is coming. Hello, Harris. Welcome.
ปิดไว้ก่อนมันต้องเก็บเอาไว้นี่เนาะเดี๋ยวแมงวันจับนะไล่แมงวันด้วย
It's a check. Let us first do this one.
มันก็เก็บด้วยกัน
Okay, Pat is here.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, Pat.
Good morning, teacher.
Then, Nisha, Shane,
Thank you. Say good morning.
Bang. Okay.
Yep.
So, good morning again and welcome to our science class. Are you ready for our science?
Yes.
Bye bye. Anna, Shane, Nisha again. And Pat. Okay, 10. And they're still coming.
มาเร็วเรียน
Stand there. Okay.
ดูรู้หน่อย
Courage. On mass. We have mass. Hello, and mass. Good morning, class. Welcome to our science class. Are you ready for our science?
Yes.
Okay. For our science for today, I want you to let us explore in our science for today. Let us all go to the zoo. You know zoo? You want to go with me to the zoo?
Yes.
Huh? Okay, all of us, let's go to the zoo. Look at this one. Let us identify.
Oh.
Okay, the different animals in the zoo, okay? Okay, so who is in there? Bye bye and Aida. Hello Aida, welcome back. Welcome back Aida for science. So are you ready?
Ready? You ready?
For our science, let us understand also is there. Hello. So we have Shane, Pat, Anna, Ten, Bye bye, Pat, and Max, Aida. Okay, Harwich. Okay, now let us start. Let us check this one out. Let us go to the zoo. You want to go to the zoo? Huh? Have you been already?
Stop like elephants.
Go and act like an animal. And let's go, right? Okay.
Let's go.
Let us start like that.
Jump. Let's go.
Right back. Okay, sit up. Okay, Pat, stand up, Pat. Okay. Okay, stand up. Stand up, Pat. Okay, stand up.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Okay, kind of thing. I can put here. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, let us start go back. Let's go back. Let us move to the low eye. Then like that beginning.
let's go.
First, teacher. Then stand up. Okay, stand up. Hello. Stand up, chain. Let us dance this one. Okay, chain. And also, Shane, stand up, Shane. Harris, fast, stand up. I think stand up. Okay, let us do this again.
Oh,
Okay.
let's do. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay. Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, we are all very good. Let's try this
Quay từ.
Okay?
The next is
Okay, then hello. Like that. Let's do it like this. Okay? Okay, this is now let's move. So let's start.
Let's go.
Ôi. Tìm.
Like that. Yes, very good. Very good.
Tìm.
Okay. For all you know how to move like an animal already? Okay, you are all very good. Okay? You're all very good. Harry, Pat, Shane, Pat, and then
เปล่า
Yes, you like it?
You can dance.
มาลิไลค์
You like how, you
ชอ
know,
บไหม
you like to dance like an animal?
That's it.
yes
Yes.
Yes.
So,
มานั่งตรงนี้
okay. You love animals? Now let us identify. I prepare here some different kind of animals, and you have to identify what kind of animals we can see in here. Okay? Look at this one. Can you tell me what kind of animal is this?
จระเข้จระเข้
What
ตัวใหญ่
is this? What is the Shane?
ตัวอ้วน
Shane, what is this?
แม่หนูเอาจระเข้ตัวเล็ก
Shane, what is this one? Anna?
ฮิปโป
Hippo. This one is hippo. Okay? Okay, this kind of animals is
กินอะไร
hippo. Then what is this? Then?
ฮิปโปโปเตมัส
Can you tell me then what is this?
นะคะ
What kind of animals is
แม่
that?
ผมคือไปบนนั้นสิ เว
Then,
ลาแม่โมนอนแม่โม
then what kind
เว
of
ลาแม่โมมันนอนอ่ะแม่โมเก็บตูดนะ
then? Hippo. This one is? Are you saying? Then? Okay, this animal is
ไป
hippo. Okay? This one is a hippo. And then let's go to the next. Okay, can you tell me what kind of animal is this?
กอริลลา
Gorilla. Very
กอริลลาตัวใหญ่มาก
Okay, this one is the gorilla. Okay.
กอริลลา
Okay, Mas, what is this, Mas?
แม่ลองดูกอริลลา
Gorilla. Very good. Shane, what is this, Shane? Shane? Shane, what is this kind of animal, Shane? Look at this one, Shane.
หายแต่กอริลลาตลก
Shing, shing, shing.
ตกใจ
Okay, what kind of animal is
กอ
this,
ริล
Shane?
ลาตกใจ
This one?
ทุบเลยอ่ะ
This one is?
มันหนูเลย
Gorilla. Very good. Nicha, what is this? Nicha?
กอริลลา
Gorilla. Anna, what is that?
กอริลลา
Anna?
ตัวใหญ่มาก
What is this? Gorilla. Bye bang, what is this? Bye bang. Bye bang, look at here.
เดี๋ยวนี้เดียวเลยว่ะ
What is this? Bye bang.
กอริลลา
Gorilla. Pat, what
ก
is
อริลลา
that?
ตัวใหญ่มากเลยเนี่ย
Gorilla. Very good.
เสียงอะไรอ่ะ
Okay, Ted. Ted, can you tell me what is this, Ted? Ted, what is this?
กอริลลา
Okay, very good, Ted. And then how about Tarek? Can you tell me what is this?
อะไรนะกอริลลา
Gorilla. And item, can you tell me what is this? Item? Yes, very good.
กอ
You
ริ
are
ลลา
all very good. This one is gorilla. And now let's go to this one. Okay, what is that?
ตัว
What is that?
เอาตัว
Turtle.
เจอ
Turtle is
ทำไม
eating.
จะตัวอะไรเนี่ยจังเลยอ่ะ
น้อยอันนั้นอะไร
เต่า
Turtle is eating
เต่า
เต่า
What
นี่
is this?
สตรอเบอรี่
Strawberry. Yes.
eat strawberry
Turtle eats strawberry. Okay, turtle also likes to
Mày
eat
cho-
strawberry, right?
ตัวน้อยจังเลยอ่ะ
Okay, now let's go to the next.
เอาเต่า
Okay, let's go to the next. This one is
หามันเต่าคือได้
crocodile. Crocodile.
โคได้
This one is crocodile. Very good. So
ตัว
this
ใหญ่
one
เลย
is
ตัวเล็ก
crocodile. And now let's go to this.
แม่แม่
Snake. This one is
Snake.
snake. Okay. Snake. Okay, very good.
หนูนี่แหละงู
Okay, everybody look at here. You have to own
หนูนั่นแหละงูอ่ะ
okay? Okay, now let's go to this one.
งู
You know what is this?
สังเกตว่าอะไร
You know what kind of animal
ไท
is this?
เกอร์ Tiger. Tiger. เหมือนแมวไหม
What kind of animal is that?
ตัวใหญ่
เหมือนเสือน้อยตากั่ว
What kind of animal is that?
เสือจ้าจำอยู่อันด้วยอันหนึ่งน้อยตากั่ว
Teacher.
Tiger.
This one is leopard. This one is leopard. Okay, tiger and leopard. Yes, it's mostly looks the same. Okay, this one is leopard. Okay. Okay, now let's go to this one. How about this one? You know what is
ปลา
that?
วาฬเพชรฆาต
You know what is this?
ปลาวาฬเพชร
This
ฆา
one
ต
is
แวว
well. Well, this one is a well. Okay, well. Okay, let's go to this one. Okay, this one is
นี่
well. I want to see I can see if you're answering, okay? This one is well.
แว
Very
ว
good. Now let's go to this one.
มันอยู่ในทะเลทรายแคปรา
What is that?
แคปราไม่ใช่คือแมวทำไมคนอื่นตาเป็น
แค่มาแล้ว
Next, what
ทำ
is
ไม
that?
ทำไมหลังมันหลังเหมือนปลาวาฬ
Orange. Hello. Look at here, Orange. What is this?
คามิล
คาเมล
I'm here. What is that? What is this?
แม่เคยเห็นปลาวาฬหลัง
ฟัง
Ten, what is this?
แม่จะเคยเห็นปลาวาฬหลังค่อมไหม
Ten. What is that?
แม่มีปลาวาฬ
I
หลัง
cannot hear you, Ten.
ปลาวาฬหลังค่อมแม่จ๋า
I cannot hear
แม่
you.
ทำอะไรหรอคะคาเมล
พูดดัง
คาเมล
Camel. Ten.
คาเมล
Okay. Bye, Bang. What is that? Again, Bang. Bye, Bang. What is this, Bye, Bang? Camel. They're very good. Nisha, what is that?
วิชานะคะ
What is this, Nisha?
เนี่ย
Nisha, camel. Yes, very good, Nisha. Pat, what is this, Pat? Pat? What is this? Yeah. This one is camel. Okay, you're all very good. Now let's go to this. This one is camel. And then how about this one?
อีเลฟเฟน
Elephant. Yes, very good, Shane. Very good, Aaron.
Elephant.
Okay, very good, Shane.
อี
Okay,
เลฟเฟน
okay, very good. So this one is
ฟัน
yes,
Elephant.
very good. Pat, what is this, Pat?
เอเลฟน
Elephant. Yes, you are very good. Anna,
เฟ
what
น
Anna?
เจอเอลิฟัน
Elephant. Mas, what is this, Mas?
เลฟเฟนนะ
อีเลฟเฟน
Elephant. Okay, item. Item, what is this item?
อีเลฟเฟน
Elephant. Okay, you are all very good.
ฟัน
One is an elephant. Okay. And now let's go to this one. What is this? Anybody can tell me?
จีราฟ
Okay, you are very good. This
Giraffe.
one is
เขาสูง
giraffe.
ออก
Okay,
จี
this
รา
one
ฟ
is giraffe.
จีราฟ
Okay.
จีรา
Yes.
ฟ
So this one is
จีราฟ
giraffe. Okay.
จีราฟ
Okay. Now let's go to this one.
ไม่ได้
มี
เนี่ย
แพนด้าตัว
You
ใหญ่
know what is that?
แบ
Huh?
แบ
Yes.
แบตัวใหญ่
Polar bear.
แข็งแรงมากเลยนะตัวเนี้ย
Yes, very good name. This one is polar bear. Can you say it? Polar bear. Polar
มีเป็นวัว
bear. Okay, this one is a polar bear. Okay, very good. Now let's go to this one.
Polar bear
Okay, let's go to this one. Papa, let's go to the next. This one is a polar bear. Okay.
ลาแบ
How about this one? You know what it is?
Zebra ไม่มี
Zebra. This one is a zebra. Okay. Zebra. Okay. This one is zebra. What is this one? Mas, what is this one? Mas? Okay. Zebra. Okay. This one is zebra, right? Okay. You are all very good. And okay, this one is a zebra. Okay. Okay, now Anna. Anna. Zebra. Okay, very good, Anna. Pat, what is Pat? What is Pat? What is this Pat? Pat. Zebra, very good. What is this name?
Ice-cream.
What is this one? Zebra. Zebra, very good. And how about Harith? Where is Harith? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What is this again? Zebra. Shane, what is this, Shane? Shane? Again, Shane, what is this? Zebra. Very good. And I want to ask first item. Where is the item? Oh, zebra. Mas? How about you, Mas? Zebra. Hello, Mas? Look at here, Mas. Mas, what is this? Mas? Mas. Look at this. Oh, zebra. Harris, what is this? Harris. Okay, zebra. You are all very good. Okay. Okay. Now you can identify the different kind of animals. You are all very good. And you can also, you like to dance like an animal? You like the animals move? Right? So for today we are dancing like an animal and we identify the different kind of animals. So I think this is all for today. I want to say thank you so much. You have to enjoy your weekend T2, okay? You have to enjoy your weekend and I want to say thank you so much. Okay, thank you for listening and for answering all the questions here. Thank you for your cooperation, Kitu. You are all very good. Okay, Kitu. I want to say thank you and
Thank you, Yang.
Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Yes,
thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, Shane. I can thank you, Harriet. Thank you, Nicha. Thank you. And who else then? Anna. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you all, Kitu, for your cooperation. You are so smart. Okay, keep learning, keep studying. I love you, Kitu. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Hey, what is that, Shane? Oi, what is that? Okay, hard time now. You have to enjoy your weekend, okay? Enjoy your weekend, Kitu. Bye. I love you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Đi topic tôi check của tất cả
Thank you.
Khả năng bước bền.
Rich.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye, trái mưa
Bye
đó.
bye.